What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. We'll keep this quick, and guys, this could make you some money, so pay attention and get ready. Without further ado, let's get it. First up, XOP, guys. I like XOP for a push to the upside. 2 triggers, whether it goes up or down, we're gonna make money. Coin, I think, has an opportunity to make money going both ways, so pay attention to the upper and bottom level triggers and try to make some money while it's trading within these ranges. SPY, so I got triggers on this. On the top level, if we close above that on a 5-minute chart, start to think about some calls. If we close below the bottom level on a 5-minute chart, we're thinking about puts, guys. Again, this is another one we can trade both ways, making money on calls and puts and following the trend both ways. No matter which direction it goes, we're going to make some money. For those of you that are new to the Traders War Room platform, guys, we have something truly for everybody. We got both free and paid services. We got all the real-time buy and sell alerts, live trading, bell-to-bell, one-on-one mentoring, trading classes, a fantastic community. Check us out. The links are right there, traderswarroom.com. Give you all the information. Trending in the news, we got saved, guys. This is big news, especially with the airlines going on, so we're definitely paying attention to this. This can go both ways. I got a top level trigger, as I think during this volatility with this merger and acquisition type of news, I think we can see some top level volume come in, pushing this to the upside. Nike, I think, had a little bit of a knee-jerk reaction. I think that we'll recover from this a little bit. Now it dropped, like 10% or something on the day, but I do think that we get some recovery coming into Nike. It's at the floor, and I think people are going to start getting interested and start buying back into this. Amazon, guys, this is full-blown buy zone over here, okay? If you're not accumulating shares of this particular stock, I don't know what's going on with you. The CEO was just on talking about the AWS system, and the AWS system is a money-generating big powerhouse thing, okay? So don't just think of Amazon as shopping and retail and streaming and stuff like this, man. They are invested in a whole bunch of different products, and this AWS is one of those that is going to bring in a lot of revenue. Right now, guys, we are booking out real quick and fast on these particular one-on-one mentoring sessions. A lot of people want some guidance, especially in this volatile market. Whether you want to develop skills, gain confidence, receive guidance, refine strategies, get a pro perspective, or just explore new plans of attack, Traders War Room got you covered. Go to the website, book your session to get today, and let's get it. Triple M, guys, I see nothing but downside for this particular ticker. They got too much litigations and too many court files against them, and they got great products for the most part, but their products that are being put in question are dragging this down. So until they get over with that court stuff, this thing continues to dump. Starbucks, I like this for a reopening trade, especially once China starts a buzz and you talk about China opening and things of that nature. When you start to see those headlines coming through the news, you need to start looking at Starbucks, and you might as well start getting a position set in Starbucks right now while it's cheap, because it's not going to be down at these levels for very much longer, guys. I'm bullish on this. Disney, getting a lot of flack in the news and stuff about a lot of this, politics and things of that nature. Listen, all that aside, Disney is a fantastic company to own, and especially at these prices, it's a steal. You will not find these prices for very much longer. This is the floor, and Disney's got nowhere else to go but up from here. Definitely put this on your radar and start buying. Got a lot of buzz about our instant messaging platform. A lot of people are feeling overwhelmed, especially when the market is so volatile. Guys, we made this platform just for you. Less noise, just alerts, guys. If you're overwhelmed in a platform, or you just want solid alerts that come to you via like a text message, we got you covered, guys. Check out more on the website, or you can go to the direct link right there. We got you covered, and come on this particular platform and get nothing but good, solid alerts to make money. Johnson & Johnson is nothing but a beast, guys. Had a big down day right here. This is definitely a buying opportunity. If you guys aren't peeping this out on your game plan for pushing into the end of this week or moving forward a couple weeks from now, you guys need to put this on your radar. Johnson & Johnson's got nowhere to go but up, man. These guys are a fantastic company, and this is a booming time to go ahead and get into this stock. Talking about some of the gambling, we got Penn. I like Penn a little bit better than DraftKings, and I think at this particular level it gives you a nice opportunity to go ahead and get into it. A lot of these gambling type of stocks and these casino resorts have been getting a lot of press lately, so it's just sooner than later these are going to start pushing to the upside, and I would rather get in now, hold out for a couple weeks through some volatility, and make some money on the back end. So bullish on Penn. While I like Penn better than DraftKings, you cannot take these guys out. I do think DraftKings comes down a little bit more, so I'm a little near-term bearish on DraftKings. But once you start to see the other online gambling platforms and the casinos starting to roll up to the upside, DraftKings will follow the coattails, so definitely be ready to pull the trigger on the reversal once it gets there. But I do think we got some downward pressure, and we'll probably see the high levels of 11. One of the big things that we preach over at Traders War Room is that you have to train. And one of the best ways to train is taking professional classes from professional traders. And every battle needs a plan, and we want you to build your battle with Traders War Room. Guys, check to see what type of classes we have upcoming and historical on our website. Upcoming on 10 July at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, we have how to use moving averages for massive wins. If you guys have seen any of my alerts coming here recently, you guys know that we're just absolutely killing it, and I get DMs all the time. How are you making moves like this? How are you finding stocks like this? Well, the answer is I'm using moving averages, but not the classic ones. I'm using specific moving averages that work for this particular market. And if you guys want to learn how to trade like I trade and utilize these moving averages to make you a lethal trader, I got you guys covered. $15 will get you a seat. You get to keep the recording, and if you can't make it live, we got you covered. That's why we give every person that purchases it, we give them the recording. Guys, this is definitely a must class, especially if you're a momentum-based trader and you want to learn how to make massive wins utilizing the moving average strategy. And just so you can see, I'm not all talk, guys. Here it is right here. Check the time and date stamp. AMD, we got into a swing yesterday, $86 put, got in at $1.99. And there it was, alerted right on the Discord, my exit, AMD, the $86 put. We went ahead and exited at $4.60. Guys, that is a killer profit trade. We had some runners, and we're looking to sell out the runners tomorrow at the bell for even more profit. If you want alerts like this, guys, come check us out, traderswarroom.com. Get on with the Discord or get on with the instant messaging platform and come make this money with us. Put Duke on your radar, guys. Had a little cool down session today, but it's on an absolute tear from a V-shaped recovery. This thing's got nowhere to go but up. Definitely paying attention to these utilities, and Duke is right there on the high value one for the utility sector in the energy plays. QCOM just inked a deal for the next year of pushing out the chips for the iPhones, guys. Fantastic deal for QCOM, and I think this is going to do fairly well, more so than some of the other type of semiconductor trades, because they actually got an inked deal. All right, so we're paying attention to QCOM and the other sector as well, NVDA, AMD, and HSMH as far as the ETF is concerned. And finally, on that semiconductor news, another one that I like is MU. Definitely looking a little bearish right now to the downside. We might have a little bit more of some downward slope, but I do have a target up here of about $60, and I think we're going to be able to meet that here in the near term. If you're looking to go bullish like I am, definitely push out 2 to 4 weeks, stay at the money, in the money as much as possible, and make this money. I guarantee you this is going to be a killer trade given a little bit of time for let this mature. Bottom line, team, we are destroying the market no matter which direction it goes. I want you to quit wasting that money that doesn't make money. I want you to invest in yourself. I hope you do that with Traders War Room. And with that said, don't ever forget that we look at the stock market like a war zone. Stocks and sector, those are our battles. We do it together as a team from all the TWR staff and our mascot Rocket. All I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together.